Hi guys, this is Shelly from Horseshoe Pottery. Today I'm going to show you how I sand the bottom of my pots so that it doesn't scratch any surfaces. Right now this pot is very scratchy, that's a technical word, and I am going to use the Diamond Core Tool sanding pads to fix that problem. So this one here is a stronger grit, it's the 120 grit. And this one here is the 400 grit. It is a lot softer, so this one is going to make it feel very smooth. Okay, so I'm just going to start off by wetting my sponge. So I'm starting with the stronger grit, the 120. It's very loud, so if you're using headphones, I suggest turning it down. Okay, so I'm just going to start with my wet sponge. And I'm going to start with a slower speed on the wheel. Hi, baby. Hi, how's my girl? Okay, so I'm going to finish it off with the smoother grit, the 400. Just going to wet my sponge a little bit more. This one isn't as loud, so that's nice for you guys. So I'm just running my finger along just to see if there are any leftover bits. Okay, so it's pretty smooth. There's just this little kind of stubborn spot right here. That's better. So sometimes just adding a little bit more pressure. Good. Okay, done. There you go, it's nice and smooth. So with mugs, I also sand the bottom of my mugs. With this one though, because the handle is a little bit higher than the lip, it is not going to sit on the Giffen grip very well. So I just do it by hand. So this is just to show you how I do one with a foot ring and one that sits flush against the Giffen grip. Wet my sponge. I'm going to start with 120 again, and again it'll be loud. So I get inside the lip here as well. As well as the outside of the foot ring. Okay, so I'm going to switch to the 400. I'm going to apply a little bit more pressure. Okay, so it is a lot smoother. Okay guys, thanks a lot for watching. If you enjoyed the video, I would love it if you would subscribe, like, share. It just helps get the videos out for other people that might like to watch. Have a great day.